excited for this one. I'm with the one-man team. आज हम शी किक्स को कवर करेंगे. ये मेरे दिल के बहुत पास है एक्चुअली, क्योंकि मैं अदिति को 12-13 साल से जानता हूँ and I've seen her grow, seen her start this initiative और कहाँ से कहाँ ले गई है वो. So thanks again to OneWin. They are making this possible. Hopefully we can make a lot of contribution. Ciao. Welcome to the next episode of my series Champions Unseen. इस सीरीज़ में हम ऐसे NGOs और फाउंडेशंस जो स्पोर्ट्स में फोकस करते हैं, ऐसे NGOs में जाते हैं जो बहुत ही अमेजिंग काम कर रहे हैं एट द ग्रास रूट्स लेवल, जो लाइव्स को इम्पैक्ट कर रहे हैं प्लेयर्स की. और ऐसा ही NGO जो आज हम कवर करने वाले हैं वो है शी किक्स. शी किक्स एक NGO है जो लड़कियों पे फोकस करता है और इन प्लेयर्स को प्रोफेशनल बनाने में, फुटबॉल में प्रोफेशनल बनाने में इनको ट्रेनिंग प्रोवाइड करता है, इनको सपोर्ट प्रोवाइड करता है. दिस इज़ डन बाय अदिति चौहान. अदिति चौहान इंडियन फुटबॉल की एक लेजेंड हैं. वो इंडियन नेशनल टीम की गोलकीपर हैं, वो एक प्रोफेशनल प्लेयर हैं, उन्होंने स्पोर्ट्स मैनेजमेंट की पढ़ाई भी करी हुई है, वो एक स्पोर्ट्स एंकर भी हैं, वो मीडिया में काम भी करती हैं. तो वो एक ऑल इन वन है एंड स्टिल शी इज़ प्लेइंग. अनफॉर्चुनेटली वो एक इंजरी से रिकवर कर रही हैं अभी, बट द होप इज़ कि वो रिकवर करके वापस इंडियन टीम से जल्दी खेलें. तो आज हम इस पे डिस्कशन करेंगे, कुछ प्लेयर्स से मिलेंगे, कुछ गेम प्ले देखेंगे, अदिति से बात करेंगे और उनके जो कोच हैं और ऑलमोस्ट को फाउंडर हैं नेहा, उनसे भी बात करेंगे.
Hi, I'm Aditi Chauhan, goalkeeper of the Indian football team and the founder of She Kicks. The idea to start She Kicks came from the experience that I had in my journey. Just an initiative to give back to the community, to give back to the sport that's given me everything that I've achieved today. Just my way of providing a platform, a professional, safe environment for the next generation to. The idea is just to leave this sport in a better place than what I found it in.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. So Aditi, usually a lot of athletes when they retire, तब उनको लगता है कि कुछ अब शुरू करें, कोई NGO या फाउंडेशन सपोर्ट करने के लिए. One of the things that really inspires me is कि well within your career you started She Kicks.
Yeah.
क्योंकि and it's tough to balance. आप खेल भी रहे हो, you have other commitments and then support this. So what triggered that decision?
I think one of the main reasons was when I played for West Ham in the UK and I came back because of an injury. That was a very difficult phase for me, and I thought that it is a time where I need to invest my energy and my mentality into something that's positive. Of course, the idea of giving back to the sport and helping develop women's football was always there, very close to my heart. That's the reason why I went abroad to study. And fortunately, I had my family supporting me, backed my idea of giving back and doing something. I come from a military family. It was new, it was challenging, but I just felt that this is what makes me happy. And the journey that I have been through, it can be very isolating. It can be very daunting at times, especially for a girl in India to dream of playing football is not easy. So I thought the challenges that I faced, if I can make this journey a little bit easier, provide a safe, secure and professional environment for the girls, for the next generation, that was always the aim. And I'm glad that I could start even at a small scale. I'm glad that I could start. Yes, of course, I would love for it to be, to grow and to reach a wider audience and more girls across India. That's always the dream. But, for me, quality is also very, very important. That's why we want to set up a system where we can invite these kind of girls who travel so, far distances, sometimes fighting against their families as well, to come to the ground, which is, a huge challenge. So my only idea was just to make this journey, a little bit easier for them.
Hello, I'm Neha Yadav, coach of She Kicks Football Club and Football Delhi, and I've been associated with football since childhood. And our goal here is to build future leaders, future stars, make confident girls who can build their life, believe in themselves, and achieve whatever they wish to in their entire life. So we are not only building players here, we are building personalities and future stars.
So abhi mostly these girls they train regularly.
Yes.
You rent a ground like
Yeah.
this. You come here often.
Yes.
This
This is the ground
base.
that we train at. The ground owners have been very, very, supportive of our initiative. They've given us the ground for free.
By the way, big shout out to
Yeah.
Kicksal. बहुत बड़ी बात है ये.
Yes, of course, man.
So have there been other players, partners, companies, people who have supported you in this journey so far?
Little bit. We've got some footballs donated to us through Apollo Tires. 656 has been supportive with the kids. So we've managed to, on and off, we've managed to find some sponsors and help from people. But of course, it needs to be consistent.
So you would have spent a lot of your own money
Yeah.
that you're earning from other
Yes.
sources to
Yeah.
this so far.
Yeah.
But आपका कितना खर्चा है तकरीबन एक साल का इनको
एक-
ट्रेन खाना पीना इनकी मैनेज
So
करना
close to 20 lakh is the estimate that
For this batch
that
of-
we
yeah.
spend for this batch, including the coach's salary, travel, and everything else. We also want to obviously take exposure trips also to nearby cities, get them as many matches as possible because we don't have a grassroots women's league here. The league that does happen is barely a month or 15-20 days, which is not enough. So we have to make some extra efforts for them to give get some more match time, to be able to get to a point where we are fighting for qualification to the IEWL. That's the biggest aim for our club here, to take these girls and play with our own homegrown players and qualify for the IWL from Delhi League. So, and I know that if we put that consistent effort over a period of time, we can get there. Through the experience, I also realize the parents need to be educated. They need to know, because the kind of culture that we are brought up in, parents take a huge, play a huge role. They are the decision makers for their kids, especially for girls. So they have to know that there are possibilities, there are avenues within sports, if not as a professional footballer, but there are other avenues that you can get into and still be in touch with the sport or give back to the sport that you love.
Yeah. एक तरफ Aditi है, she is an inspirational figure.
Yeah.
But I'm sure your role is more working with them on a day-to-day basis.
Yeah.
So how do you see that different? मतलब ultimately एक जो care और guidance की ज़रूरत होती है, that's what you are providing from that perspective. So आपका exact role as a coach क्या है यहाँ पे?
See, on the field, we are nurturing them, but beyond the field is what we are also looking at. कि हो सकता है किसी के घर पे कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो, किसी को कुछ चीज़ की ज़रूरत हो. So we are not only looking at their professional life, even we are trying to give the most to their personal life as well, so that we make good individuals out of them. कि जितना भी हम सपोर्ट कर पाएँ गर्ल्स को, कुछ अंडर प्रिविलेज गर्ल्स भी हैं हमारे पास, एंड वी ट्राई आवर बेस्ट टू गिव देम एवरीथिंग दैट वी कैन, गिव देम ऑल द इमोशनल फिजिकल सपोर्ट. यहाँ पर हम पूरा कोशिश करते हैं और पूरे टाइम उनके साथ रहता है. आई थिंक इट्स अ ग्रेट आइडिया दैट वी हैव कम अप विद. वी जस्ट नीड सपोर्ट ऑफ पीपल एंड वी आर गेटिंग सपोर्ट बट नॉट इनफ. और भी मिल सकता है हमें, और मिलेगा तो आई एम श्योर दीज गर्ल्स कैन बी गिवन मोर अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ और अच्छी फैसिलिटी हम इनको दे सकते हैं. अभी ये दूर दूर से आते हैं, तो मे बी वी कैन स्टार्ट अप कि लोग कहीं रहें एंड रेजिडेंशियल प्रॉपरली बना दें और प्रॉपर इनकी सुबह और शाम ट्रेनिंग हो, एंड वी कैन एजुकेट देम और भी तरीके से. इनकी एजुकेशन पे भी थोड़ा देख सकते हैं.
Thank you again. Thanks
Thank
for
you.
your time. Cheers. So we have two superstars of She Kicks, Ananya and Naz. Ananya, आपने कब से फुटबॉल खेलनी शुरू करी?
So I started playing when I was in 9th grade, and then I took a break because of COVID. When I joined college, one of my friend Redhima, she's the captain of She Kicks. She referred to play here, so I gave the trials, I got selected, and I've been playing here since a year now.
Since a year.
Yes, sir.
और आपने नाज कब से खेल रहे हो आप?
मैं 3 साल से खेल रही हूँ, और पहला जब मैंने स्टार्ट किया था, मैंने स्पोर्ट्स ग्रोथ फाउंडेशन से स्टार्ट किया था. तो मुझे रमा मिली थी वहाँ, तो उसने मेरे को शी किक्स के ट्रायल्स बताए थे. तो हम दोनों यहाँ आए, ट्रायल्स दिया, तो सिलेक्ट हो गए. तो मेरे को 2 साल हुए इसे ज्वाइन किए हुए.
तो यहाँ पे एक आपने ऑफलाइन हम बात कर रहे थे, जो आपने बताया कि रोज़ ट्रेनिंग होती है, विच इज़ वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम सम अदर प्लेसेस. तो उससे क्या एडवांटेजेस मिलते हैं आपको?
So like we are in touch with the training we keep on improving day by day. It's not like, you know, we are just playing for the season, we are playing in off season as well. So that, you know, really affects our game. It improves us. So that's a good point.
और नाज, आपका क्या ड्रीम है यहाँ से? आप IWL खेलना चाहते हो, आप इंडिया के लिए खेलना चाहते हो, क्या कहाँ आप देखते हो अपने आप को खेलते हुए?
पहला तो अभी IWL खेलना है, फिर उसके आगे भी बहुत सारी लीग्स होती हैं, फिर इंडिया सबके लिए खेलना है मेरे को बस.
So first we got to qualify for the Premier League, then we'll aim for the IWL.
बट ड्रीम आपका ये है कि शी किक्स एज अ क्लब खेले, या आपको लगता है कि जो भी क्लब्स हैं वहाँ हमें अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल जाए इंडिविजुअल लेवल पे?
Sir, I would prefer as a club because the players here, the coaches and the management, we really have developed a bond. So I would really like to go forward with the club.
और अब आपका नेक्स्ट 1 साल का टारगेट क्या है एज अ प्लेयर?
IWL खेलना.
IWL. आपका?
IWL.
और कौन कौन सी पोजीशंस में खेलते हो आप, ये तो बता दो.
सेंटर मिड.
सेंटर
I
मिड,
play as an attacker.
अटैकर.
Yes.
चलो, इफ़ आज आपको बताया होगा शायद, इस इनिशिएटिव का आइडिया ये है कि ये वीडियो जितना ज़्यादा स्प्रेड होगा उतना ज़्यादा हम फंड्स रेज कर पाएंगे, ताकि आपकी ट्रेनिंग और इम्प्रूव हो पाए, अच्छे क्वालिटी के प्लेयर्स और पढ़ें, होपफुली रेजिडेंशियल अपॉर्चुनिटी मिले. तो एक मैसेज दे दो आप जो सुन रहे हैं व्यूअर्स के लिए.
कंट्रीब्यूट करो.
कंट्रीब्यूट करो.
Please contribute for our club. It's a really good initiative taken by Aditi ma'am, so it will help us a lot to grow. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you very much. Thank you. Good luck. Good luck. Well, Aditi, thank you so much for your time, and you're an inspiration. Like I've always said this, that to be having so many, wearing so many hats and doing all of them so well, it's phenomenal.
try.
Good luck with your injury.
Yes, thank
Hopefully you'll be recovered very soon.
Yes.
We'll see you in India colours
Back
soon.
in India jersey very soon.
Absolutely.
hopefully.
And IWL is coming
Yes.
up in a couple of months. So good luck with that.
Yes.
But I would like to just again make a appeal to people watching that
Yeah.
this ask is not a lot. Like
Yeah.
you put in your sweat, tears, hard work,
Yeah.
and others have as well
Yeah.
to build this. And I
And
really
most
hope,
importantly
yeah.
for me, Vivek, it's a genuine effort. It's not just for, you know, for building my brand. I would love to be not associated with the brand at all. I would love for the work that we're doing, the actual, you know, the intention that needs to be highlighted and that should be recognized. I feel for that itself, we need that kind of support.
Great. Well, this effort is a very, very small effort as compared to what you've been doing. But I'm really hoping that through this message, at least a significant portion of your annual budget gets covered.
Yes,
And
hopefully
the word gets out and we get more sponsors so that you don't have to run around and we can contribute to that. But
That'd
thank
be
you again.
perfect.
Thank you so much
Thanks
for
so
all your
much,
time.
Vivek.
Yeah. Thank you. Cheers.
Appreciate it. The reason for doing this video, for documenting our journey is so that we can get more funding for our program. And the best way to do that is by spreading this message, spreading the video. The more you spread it, the more awareness that is going around, the more viewership of this video, the more funding that we get. So make sure you can do your bit and spread the message so we can do things on the field as well.
There's nothing more exciting than watching young players play. इतनी ज़्यादा धूप और ह्यूमिडिटी में ये प्लेयर्स खेलते हैं रोज़, और इट इज़ जस्ट हार्ट वार्मिंग टू सी दैट. आज का जो ये एपिसोड था, दैट इज़ सपोर्टेड बाय दिस ब्रांड कॉल्ड OneWin. OneWin ने हमें कमिटमेंट दी है कि जो भी ये चैरिटीज़ और NGO हम कवर कर रहे हैं उनको डोनेशन देंगे. एक बेस लेवल का डोनेशन है, प्लस जितना भी ज़्यादा ये वीडियोज़ बढ़ेंगे, जितने उनके व्यूज़ बढ़ेंगे, उतनी ज़्यादा डोनेशन भी बढ़ेगी. दे आर कॉन्ट्रीब्यूटिंग 1 रुपी फॉर 1 व्यू. मेरा आइडिया ये है कि अदिति ने बोला उनको अराउंड 20 लाख रुपए चाहिए होते हैं बाय द एंड ऑफ द ईयर टू सस्टेन दिस NGO. आई एम रियली होपिंग कि इस इनिशिएटिव से कम उनके 30 to 50% एनुअल बजट तो ज़रूर निकले, ताकि वो 6 महीने तक टेंशन फ्री हो जाएं अबाउट रेजिंग फंड्स, एंड देन वी कैन गो टू अदर कॉर्पोरेट्स एंड आस्क फॉर सपोर्ट. हमारा इनिशिएटिव से सिर्फ यही है कि जो लोग अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं उनको हम हल्का सा थोड़ा सा पुश दे पाएँ, और उनका NGO, उनके फाउंडेशन, उनका इनिशिएटिव्स ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा ग्रो कर पाएँ. और इससे अच्छा क्या है टू लुक एट यंग गर्ल्स प्लेइंग फुटबॉल, और वो प्रोफेशनली खेल पाएँ, लीग्स में खेल पाएँ, एंड दे कैन मेक अ करियर वाइल प्लेइंग फुटबॉल, वाइल परस्यूइंग देयर पैशन. इससे अच्छी क्या बात हो सकती है. सो थैंक यू अगेन टू OneWin, एंड आप सब देखिए और ग्रो करिए इस वीडियो को एज मच एज पॉसिबल. चाओ.